Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the tangent. So now I will show you how to answer. They want to find the tangent of equation when s equal to number 1 for this one in here. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find first the derivative of this one. We have the formula in here. We have f of s equal to ln a. If we do first the derivative, we need to do first the derivative of a over a. So if we apply the formula in here, you will have about, we need to do first the derivative of this one on numerator, and this one will go to the denominator. So first the derivative of number 14, you got about 0. First the derivative of s squared, you got about 2s. First the derivative of s to the power of 4, you got about 4s to the power of 3. So we have 2s plus 2, and we have 4s to the power of 3. This one you got about negative 18s. This one you got about 8s to the power of 3. And now we apply the formula of the tangent. So y equal to first derivative of y at s equal to number 1. And we have s minus number 1. About number 1, we put number 1 going here and here to find about y. And you will have about ln number 7. So about first derivative in here, we put number 1 going here, 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 and here to find the value of this one in here. And this one you will have about so after we put number 1 in here, you will get the value of the slope of the tangent. So this one you got negative number 10 over 7. Negative number 10 over 7 multiplied by s and negative number 1. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to question number 2. Find the value of s where the tangent line is horizontal. So that means first the derivative of this one equals to number 0, because when the slope is about equal to number 0, this one that will become the straight line in here. So we have this one, and I will put this one equals to number 0. So this one should be equals to number 0. And now we need to find the value of s. So we have 8s to the power of 3 and negative 18s. We can do about factorization. So we will have about s equals to number 0. And this one equals to number 0. So I will put negative number 9 go to the right. and we divide both sides by number 4. So we put the square root for the both sides. So we have s equal to number 3 over 2 and s equals to negative number 3 over 2. And after that we put back to this one to check about the conditions to make sure that we cannot allow the denominator equals to number 0. After that we see this one satisfied, this one satisfied, and this one satisfied, and now we will have about 3 solutions. S equal to number 0, s equal to 3 over 2, and s equals to negative number 3 over 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.